Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the Seaside Escape on mobile. If you find the video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download and install the app from your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure to update it as well. Then from here, go ahead and open up the game. Now, once you open it for the first time, you might get a guide to run you through the basic actions like matching tiles, collecting resources, and decorating. So the aim of the game is to basically match puzzles. So to match puzzles and progress through the game, click on the little puzzle icon, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then from here, we've got to go ahead and matching different objects down here. So matching helps you earn shells, coins, and special boosters. And now in order to do it, just open up these bags like so and simply match these like so, and just keep doing that until it will show you what you need to match or collect. So this grandma wants a pair of, looks like earpods, so you just keep matching these. So there we go there, as you can see. So I can go ahead and click on give, and then we're going to get coins for that. And now we've got another thing we need to match, and these look like earrings. So keep opening up these bags and keep matching until you find these earrings or whatever they need. And now you might notice something on the left hand side here. It's a hammer, so go ahead and click onto that. And then we need to go ahead and, in my case, I'm up to building this dock, so I'm 3 out of 7. So I'm going to go ahead and click on build. So we're going to progress by building the dock first, and then you can see here a little prologue might appear. So I'm just going to click continue, exit. So now I've leveled up at the same time. So yeah, got to build this dock first, and then from here got to unlock all these other parts of the game. So we can also decorate and restore, so use your earned resources to renovate and decorate seaside areas, unlock new locations, and meet in-game characters. Also look for daily rewards and events, so log in daily to collect bonuses and join special events to get extra items and energy. And you want to manage your energy, so playing puzzles cost energy, so wait for it to fill up over time or earn more by leveling up, completing tasks, or watching ads.